Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a little tour of the car that I just got. If you guys haven't checked out the last video, make sure to check it out. Leave it up here. Basically it was a car reveal. If you guys haven't seen it though, I got a 2015 BMW M5 competition package. It has literally been my dream car, guys, for the longest time. This thing looks so bad. Oof. But yeah, I want to do a little tour, guys. This is the 4.4 V8 twin turbo engine. I think you can find this in the M5, the M6, and then the X5M, X6M. Not sure what else. I'm pretty sure that's it. I could be wrong though. But yeah, this one does have the regular iron rotors. It doesn't have the carbon ceramics, unfortunately. But at the same time, if the carbon ceramics were ever to go out, that would be a big purchase to repair. But anyways, you guys can see it has the blue caliper with the M. I told you guys in the last video, if you saw it, you know. I want to go with the little blue theme of the car, like calipers. I want to do the blue M buttons right here, the blue start button. If anybody can hook me up with that, I can't find any that'll ship quick. And then the ones I do find is from like different sellers, so I don't want to buy them and then be like different shades of blue, because then I'm kind of picky like that. I'm not gonna like it. So if anybody can hook me up with that, let me know. But besides that, I want to wrap the brace again. I did that on the 535i, you guys saw. But again, I'm going with the blue theme. Let me know, guys. Should I do reflector delete, or should I just leave them orange? I can find them painted to the color of the car, or maybe some like black ones or something. Let me know. I can even wrap them maybe. Like I said, this is the competition package, so I believe it's a little bit lower than the regular package. The back sits pretty nice, as you guys can see, but the front is still a little bit high, so I think I want to lower it. Give me some suggestions down below for lowering springs for the M5. I am making payments on the car, so I don't really have too much money right now to play with to do coilovers, but I'm down to do springs. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations on that. The car already came with this. I don't know if it's a competition package thing or if the previous seller just did it, but he did like the chrome delete on the side markers. These are already black as well. The window trim's already black. But yeah, this color, guys, I haven't looked up what color it is, but it's like a dark gray with a hint of like bluish greenish at times. I don't know if you guys can see it in the footage. But yeah, this color is actually really nice. I was looking for a black one, but I actually really like this color as well. It does have the LED package upgrade, so it comes with these really nice lights. That's another thing I was looking for when looking for M5s. There's just something about these lights, guys. The details, BMW adaptive LED, the details in it is just perfect. I love it. I do have a lot planned for the car. Lip lowering. Actually, let me know, guys, do you guys want to see like a OEM plus look, or do you guys want to see this as a more like aggressive look? I'm saying because of like the rear mainly. So as you guys can see, the rear, it actually looks really clean right now. It already has the quad tips. Obviously it's M5. It has a nice little spoiler. Do you guys prefer this look, or should I just go with like the 535i style kind of look with the aggressive PSM high kick and like the full carbon diffuser and stuff like that? Let me know, guys. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. Possibly some side skirt extensions. Yeah, it's just, this car is already super nice, so that's why I'm not really in a hurry to like get all these like appearance mods, because it's already like perfect to me. I can make it better, if that makes any sense. But yeah, anyways, guys, back into the car. This is a 2015 model. It comes with the newer steering wheel, as you guys can see, which looks super nice. As you guys can see, I got the black interior, which is pretty much in mint condition. The driver's seat has a little bit more wear than the rest, as you guys can see. Nothing really bad. I think it looks a little bit more bad in the camera than it does in person. But everything else, guys, is literally like perfect condition. Make sure to keep hand sanitizer with you at all time. But yeah, guys, this thing is super nice. Again, I love the attention to detail. The M on the knob, I absolutely love the M on the cluster. It looks so cool. We have the rear over here. Excuse the stuff in the car, guys. As you guys can see, again, super clean, guys. Everything looks pretty much brand new. Mine did come with the Harman Kardon sound system, as you guys can see right there. I didn't need the Bang & Olufsen one. If it had it, if I can find the car with the right price that I wanted, everything else that I wanted, all the features, and the B&O sound system, then you know what? I would have went for it. But I found this car. It's literally perfect. I don't mind the Harman Kardon. It sounds amazing. This is like the premium package for like the E90s, which honestly I'm perfectly fine with. I love the Harman Kardon. It sounds amazing. But yeah, like this thing is absolutely a beast, guys. So it doesn't have all the like lane departure and all those stuff, which honestly I don't need. Like, it's one of those things that if it had it, it'd be cool. If it doesn't, you know what, I really don't care. But it does have the heads-up display. That's something that I actually really wanted, and that's actually something that made me decide on what M5 to get, because I just really wanted the heads-up display, especially the one on the M5. It looks really, really cool. I'll show you guys in a bit. It has the heated steering wheel, which it's extremely hot right now in California. Not something I needed, but it would be cool to test it out in the winter since I've never had a heated steering wheel. Back to the attention to detail, guys. The M right here on the footrest. I didn't know it actually said M5 on these door sills. I thought it would just say M. Maybe the M Sport ones say M, but yeah, M5, super cool. I love it. I literally love this car. This thing is amazing. It does have the rear climate control with rear heated seats, which is really, really cool. One thing with this car, guys, is it pretty much has everything that I wanted to retrofit onto the 535i. Because before I put the car for sale, I literally had no intentions of selling it anytime soon. As I actually, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw already, I posted that a month ago. I thought I was years away from owning this car, and here I am now a month later making videos on my M5, guys. So just keep hustling, guys. Just keep pushing forward. You will get what you want in life if you just keep pushing and you stay focused on it. Again, I'm financing the car. It's not like I bought it cash. I don't have that type of money, but I am making payments on it, which is perfectly fine, guys. If you want to go that road, then go for it. Some people may say don't finance cars, wait, save up and pay them cash, which is obviously better because you don't get interest. But whatever way you want to go, guys, don't let nobody change your mind or bring you down of the stuff you want to do. Just go for it, guys. Anyways, back to the video. Like I said, this has literally everything I wanted to retrofit into the 535i. For example, like the heated rear seats, one day maybe the heads-up display, folding down rear seats. I didn't know my 535i didn't have this till like a month before I sold it. But yeah, it's really cool to have these fold down, and I think it's something that you kind of need in a 5 Series. I don't know why they wouldn't do it like on the base model. As the Alcantara headliner, you guys can see all the way around, all the way to the back, which is super cool. Attention to detail, guys. This thing looks so sick. If we come around and pop the hood, we will see the infamous S63 engine, which looks super cool. Like I said, it has a Dynon stage 1 tune, which I want to get rid of because I want to go with boot mode. That's what I want to go with, which will be coming soon. I just want to sell this thing already. If anybody wants it, let me know. It does need a little detail around because it's pretty dusty. It does have the BMS charge pipes. I don't know why. I don't know if it's supposed to or not say BMS on here. It doesn't, but it doesn't really matter. These aren't plastic ones, which are the factory ones. And then it says BMS right here. Like I said, guys, this was literally a dream car of mine. For the first week of me owning it, I literally woke up every morning and drove the car like in shock, because like it's crazy to me. Like I said, a month ago I didn't know I was gonna own this car. I thought I was years away from owning this car, so it's really, really crazy to me. Real quick, guys, I want to say thank you so much to everybody for the support. 99% of you guys love the car, and we're really excited to see the M5 on the channel, and I am too, guys. And I'm really happy that you guys are excited as well, because I want to bring content to you guys that obviously you guys like, and you guys love the 535i, so it was kind of scary to sell it to get a different car, but I'm happy that you guys liked it after all. Again, if you guys didn't see the previous video, this does have the Churner Motorsports axle back exhaust. These tips actually look really, really cool. They're not the chrome ones, they're like the dark chrome, which I actually love. I will most likely be keeping this one. at least until I can afford a valved exhaust, Valvetronics. It's expensive, but it's really cool. The fact that I can close the valves and it won't sound so loud, because that's something I really need with this car. Because if I can do that, then I would love to make the car super loud. Because I just love the loud noise. But if we go ahead and open the trunk, it does have the automatic trunk, or whatever it's called. I'm not really sure what it's called. Excuse the mess in the trunk, guys. Not really mess, but excuse the stuff. And then if you can go ahead and press it again to close it. I actually did coat some stuff, guys. I don't want to show you exactly what I coated just yet. Sorry, the camera died. But just be on the lookout for that. I am bringing you guys a beamer coat video on this car. Something crazy that I found out about this car is that it has freaking butt massage, guys. It has a butt massage. It's not like a crazy butt massage where it's like freaking shaking you up and down, but it slowly goes like throughout the whole seat, which is actually really cool on road trips. It makes it a lot more comfortable when you're sitting for so long. But yeah, it has butt massage. It has heated and cooled seats, which is something really cool. The other car, my last car, had the heated seats, but it didn't have cool seats. I don't know what's up with these freaking air vents. It has like 4 different modes. Not really sure exactly what it is, but I just keep it on the last one because I think that's the one that comes out the most. This steering wheel, guys. This steering wheel is so sick. I really love it. And the paddle shifters, I never had paddle shifters. Now that I've used it, it's actually really cool. I don't know if it's just me or if this sunroof is actually like tinted, because I feel like it's darker than the one that was in my 535i. Because during the day when that sun's like super bright, the sun doesn't go in as much as it did with my last car. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know if your guys are like that as well. Like I said, as far as future plans, I want to go with what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see a more clean, simple look, or something more aggressive? And then as far as tuning, I want to go with boot mode. I would love to get the charged coolers, but they're extremely expensive. So if I can get sponsored on that, I would definitely go with that. Downpipes, I already have them. I will be installing them soon. Charge pipes are already in. As far as a tune, like I said, boot mode is what I want to go with. And besides that, I want to go with some intakes, something a little less pricey, because I know most of them will go for like 1,000 or more, even like 700. For me, it's crazy to spend that much money just on intakes. But if I can find a good deal on some cheap ones or used ones, then I definitely want to go with it, because I've seen reviews where it actually sounds better with aftermarket intakes, and then it kind of looks pretty cool too. So that's what I want to go with. But besides that, guys, I will be keeping these wheels. I actually love these wheels. I won't be swapping these out. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I don't know if I showed you guys, but this trim is super nice. I was thinking about going with carbon fiber, but I don't know, I actually really like this trim. And then I did not know with the M5, or at least I don't know if it's all of them, but this part is actually like leather, which is super cool. I actually really like that. And then this piece of silver, which matches that. I don't know, I really like this like combination of this type of silver. I don't know exactly what it is, what it's called, but it's kind of textured. It actually looks really nice. I love the combination of this with the black, and it gives it a really clean look, which I actually really like. I don't know if you guys can see right there the heads-up display. If I actually put it in M mode, you guys can see that it shows like the RPM gauge. And then I don't know if you guys can see the top of it. Let's see if I can zoom in. You guys can see the top. It has like orange boxes and the red boxes. It has a freaking like shift lights, so it tells you like when to shift. It loads up the orange or yellow, and then it goes to red, which is super cool. I don't know if all M cars have this, but it's something really nice that the M5 has. And another thing that I just realized like a couple of days ago is that I'm almost positive these are actually the LCI taillights. And once again, guys, the attention to detail. This looks super clean, just in the BMW inside of there. I don't know, I'm a big fan of seeing stuff like this. I don't know if I'm the only one. I don't think I am, but that to me is super clean. But yeah, I think I have the LCI taillights, which look pretty much identical. I think the bars are just a little bit thinner. But yeah, just the fact that they're LCI is pretty cool. By the way, I don't know if you guys saw this in the backseat or not, but we got the Inline Motorsports decal right here that will be going in the back of the M5, right around here. If anybody wants any decals, guys, let me know. I will be giving out a few free, depending on how many people want them. we'll give out about like 15 for free if you guys want any. If you don't, I mean, it's all good, but it would be pretty cool if you guys would like to rep the Inline Motorsports on your cars, BMW or not. It's all good. Let me know in the comments below, and then I'll have you guys DM me. You guys can send me your address and stuff, and I'll send one out to you guys. But yeah, let me know, guys. Anyways, I'm pretty sure I showed you guys everything with the M5 already. You guys can see it back there looking real nice. Let me know what you guys want to see done to the car. Again, should I keep it simple and clean, or should I go a little bit more like aggressive and like mean, I guess you can say. Let me know in the comments below. Also, I want to get custom plates for this car. This is a car that I want to keep forever, so I want to get custom plates. Give me some custom plate ideas down below, guys. I finally got the car smogged. I will be getting it registered soon, so I will be able to get the custom plates. But yeah, give me some ideas down below, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick little rev real quick. I just want to film the outro first, that way I can just film the revs and leave, because it's like there's like houses here and stuff. I'm like in a shopping center, and I just don't want any cops to come and give me any problems, because the car's not even registered yet. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of that. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. All right, let's give you guys a few little revs. This is what the car's sounding like. Everything's stock, besides it has the Turner Motorsports axle back exhaust, so it's not really loud, but it sounds pretty cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and give you guys a few little revs, and we'll see how it sounds. There, you guys got it. Now I gotta get out of here, because I don't want any cops to come. It's not super loud, but people here are pretty damn nosy, and they don't really like this stuff, so let's get out of here, guys.